It's Cindy and Jan on the back roads in Port Austin, Michigan, and we are at the Cove, the local artist gallery here. This is one of the first places I hit when I get to Port Austin every summer. I love all the handmade items. They're items from all over Michigan, handmade by Michigan artists. And my aunt and uncle are two of the people that have artwork here. Port Austin is a tiny village at the tip of the thumb of Michigan. It's little, but a lot of tourists come here. It's a big resort town in the summertime. Camping, boating, go-kart riding, shopping, has a wonderful farmer's market. There's a lot to do here. You won't be bored. And one of the things we like to do is shop in the Cove.
Hi everybody, it's Cindy and Jan on the back roads, and we are here in Port Austin, Michigan, and we are at the Cove, and we are here with Lynn Winsack, and she is going to tell us a little bit about the Cove and what all it entails and how many people you have here in the shop.
We are a local art gallery, and currently we represent 85 artists from around Michigan. Nobody from the UP yet. We've been in business in Port Austin 10 years. It's run by 3 artists, and right now I would say 50% of our artists are from the thumb of Michigan. We have quite a big art community up here in Port Austin.
Very good.
How long has the Cove been here?
10 years.
10 years.
This
10
is our
years.
10th year.
And what are your hours?
We are open Wednesday through Sunday, 10 to 4, but on Saturday for the farmer's market, we open at 9.
Okay.
And so if you haven't been to the farmer's market up here, it's huge.
It is huge. It's
So,
awesome too.
Yes.
Are you open through the
absolutely.
winter or are you closed?
We stay open through December.
Okay.
So weekends, we kind of drop back to weekends in
Yeah.
October. Gets a little quiet up here.
Yeah.
But weekends, October through December, and close for January. Then we kind of play with any special events
Yeah.
and things like that. We'll reopen.
It's very nice. You have high quality items, so
Yes,
it's nice.
we have wonderful
Yeah.
artists. They are bringing new things in
Yeah.
all the time.
We always hit this first when we get to town.
Oh, perfect, perfect.
Well, thank you so much, Lynn.
Thank
you,
you.
Lynn.
Take care.
If you like this video, please share it so others can find this shop. And please give us a thumbs up on YouTube and like our YouTube channel. Please subscribe. We also have a Facebook page where we share a lot of additional information. And if you know someplace great that we should check out, please let us know. We're always up for a road trip on the back roads. Thanks for watching.